welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, I am so glad that you are here. So I am back recording all new content. The last couple of videos that you guys got from me, besides the protective style video, were all old recordings from last year that I never posted. But I am back with all brand new content. So for today's video, I have a part 2 to my t-shirt haul video. So if you've never seen the first one, then I will put it in the cards, or I will put it in the description down below so you can go and watch it. So I'm pretty much just showing you guys my t-shirt collection, because I have so many t-shirts. I have so many graphic tees. I just love graphic t-shirts because you can dress them up, dress them down. You can wear them literally anywhere if you wear it the right way. And I was like, why not do a part 2 to this video, because I have plenty of t-shirts. So if you are interested in that, make sure that you stay to the end of this video, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on my bell notification so that you are notified each and every single time that I post. And don't forget to subscribe, because I just told you I'm posting all new content. Why would you want to miss that? You on this video, why would you want to miss future videos? But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so like I said, I have literally a million t-shirts. Nobody's t-shirt collection is bigger than mine, and that is a hill I'm willing to die on. So for the first one, actually this t-shirt is from my first t-shirt haul. So like I said, if you missed that, I will put the link down in the description box. It's a Boyz II Men t-shirt. I really like this t-shirt, so if you want to see where I got it from, you gotta watch that first video. All right, so for my first shirt, I have this Mary J. Blige t-shirt. Oh my gosh, I love this t-shirt. Like I said in the first t-shirt haul video, I love black band t-shirts. I feel like white band t-shirts are more popular, and we buy them because they look a certain way, or they can go with certain things in our closet. But I was like, let me get some people that I actually listen to. So I love me some Mary J. Blige. Okay, I feel like this is the perfect t-shirt that you can dress down. I've thought about like wearing this with some leggings and some tennis shoes. I'm actually planning on styling this t-shirt on my Instagram, so make sure that you follow my Instagram so you can see me style this in the future. So I actually got this from Spencer's. I think Spencer's had like it was like a 4 for $50 sale or something like that. I don't know, they're always doing t-shirt sales, and they always have a whole bunch of nice t-shirts, a whole bunch of nice graphic tees. So if you are looking for a nice graphic tee, go on spencers.com or go to like your local mall and see what sales they're having. All right, so for my next t-shirt, it is a Rolling Stones t-shirt. Just like I said with the last t-shirt, white band t-shirts are really popular, but I can promise you I don't have a clue about what the Rolling Stones is. I know it's a magazine, but like I said, I didn't buy it because of what it represents. I buy it because I just love this colorway, and one of my favorite fashion TikTokers, she styled a t-shirt that was similar to this. Her name is Sammy, I think, and I really loved how she did that look. So I was literally like, I'm gonna get my own the Rolling Stones t-shirt just so I can do a similar look to what she did. So I love this t-shirt. This is like I said with the Mary J. Blige t-shirt, this was I can't remember if it was like 3 for $50, 4 for $50 or something like that. I got like 3 or 4 t-shirts because they were having a sale. And yeah, I love this t-shirt. You can wear, like I said, you can wear this with anything. I love t-shirt looks for the summer. So yeah, this is literally the perfect graphic tee. All right, so for my next t-shirt is an Outkast t-shirt. Like I said, I want to start wearing more black artists on my t-shirts just to represent the music that I listen to. I love music. If you know me, I love music. Music is like therapy, and you know, why not wear what I actually listen to on the t-shirt? So I love Outkast, literally one of the most legendary rap groups. I got this t-shirt from Spencer's, if if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think I got this either from Spencer's or Hot Topic. Like I said, Spencer's is a really good place to get t-shirts from, and so is Hot Topic. So yeah, I really like this t-shirt. It says Hot Atlanta. Love that. All right, so for the next t-shirt, I have a Malcolm X t-shirt. I actually got this from forever21.com. I don't know if it's in stores, but like I said, the last time I checked, it was still available. So I really love this. Like I said, I love wearing important black figures on a t-shirt. Like, I just feel like this is just so it's symbolic for what he stood for. And I didn't agree with every single last thing that Malcolm X said, but I definitely agree in general for what he stood for. So I love this. I feel like you can make so many looks out of this. Like, you can wear some tan pants with it, you could wear some blue jeans with it, like some ripped blue jeans. So graphic t-shirts are just so easy to style. So, you know, it takes the pressure off because half of your outfit is literally already done. So yeah. All right, so for this next t-shirt, I love this t-shirt. Oh my gosh. I did a Black History Month video last year, and I talked about how when somebody passes, that Black people love to put our loved ones on a t-shirt. And I really love how Pretty Little Thing, they dropped like a sweatshirt and a t-shirt once DMX passed. And you know, I'm not a huge DMX fan, but I do love just his story. Like, I really love artists for their journey and their story. And of course, he got a couple hits. So this t-shirt says, "In memory of DMX." Like I said, I love this. I wore this. I wore it once. I haven't got the chance to wear it again, but I just wore it with some jean shorts, and it was really cute. And this is really comfortable. And you can style this so many different ways. I love this t-shirt. All right, so for this next t-shirt, I actually got this off of Instagram. The brand is called In Suspension or something like that. I'll put all the information down below in the description box. So for this next t-shirt, I love this t-shirt because it has a list of Black brands. Like, it has Off-White, it has Telfar, Yeezy, Fenty, Brandon Blackwood, and all. It has a couple of other lists of Black brands. So I will put the information for this t-shirt down below. Once again, I believe that wearing Black designer is important because we have so much influence on the fashion industry. So it's like, why not wear our own Black designers? So this is just a representation of that. So I plan on styling this soon. I got it last year, but I haven't worn it yet. But like I said, I will definitely be wearing this soon for the summer. Okay. All right, so for this last t-shirt, my next t-shirt haul, if you guys want a part 3, I can do that. I'm not gonna do so many band t-shirts because clearly I'm obsessed with band t-shirts, but the next and the final one is the Whitney Houston t-shirt. I love this t-shirt. It's super comfortable. I got it from Rue 21, and I haven't bought anything from Rue 21 in a long time. I actually got another t-shirt that has Will Smith on it, and it says Fresh Prince. And then I also got this t-shirt. I love me some Whitney Houston. An icon. Like, what do you mean? Like, she's very iconic. Like I said, I love what band tees represent, and I'm always willing to wear my favorite artist on a t-shirt. Okay, so you will automatically know who I'm listening to when you see me walk up. Okay. All right, you guys, so those are all of the t-shirts that I want to show you guys in this video. Don't forget to comment down below which t-shirt was your favorite. All of the t-shirts will be in the description box down below, and make sure that you let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to turn on my notification bell so you are notified each and every single time that I post, because like I said, I am recording all brand new content. And don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with everything. Like, why would you want to miss out on an upload? But all right, you guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.